afternoon. After quite an alright day today, it was around 23 degrees eventually. In the forecast they said it was going to be 21, but we got towards 23, thankful. But as you can see, the floor is quite wet. We just had a shower. Nothing extreme or so, but enough I think to clear the beach out. So I'm heading towards Levante Beach. Check out right over there how it is. For me myself, I went towards the mountains above Finisterre. Went above there are some videos of it on my Facebook page, you can check that out. If you don't follow me there yet, make sure to check me out on Facebook as well. Post plenty of other stuff on there. And don't forget hitting the like button on the YouTube videos. Thank you. But yeah, heading towards the beach. It is quite busy in Benidorm, more at the bars and everything or so than it is right down here. But I just love the beach, and the ocean looked quite wild just from home, so I want to check that out. Heading towards the right. It still is quite warm, but now it is humid as well because of the rain we just had. And it looked like tomorrow was going to be the day with rain, tomorrow morning, but as I just checked, tomorrow morning is going to be just a little clouded and that's it. Same temperature as around today. By the way, Port Benidorm Hotel right down there really goes fast, that construction now. Less than a month and people should be in there after a really long closure. Got the Grand National. There we are, that's the high worker that they use for the construction of the lights over here on the beach. Careful place until so far until right up here. But there we are. Water skiing is closed for the day. Quite some waves, nothing extreme or so, but I guess it's too much for them to keep the water skiing open. It's just emptied out now. Just a few people are there still. It was quite busy today because with just 23 degrees and a little cloud, it wasn't cold or anything. There was quite some wind the whole day already. But it was a warm breeze, so nothing bad at all. And of course, when there comes some rain, people head inside towards the bars, back to the hotel. They change up, especially since it is a late afternoon. Slowly on getting ready for dinner somewhere, or just party all night long. All of the boats are back there. But while the wind is this direction, usually right on this spot over here, it's all getting black and dark and everything in the ocean. All the seaweed comes ashore then, which still is present right up here, down here. But it looks quite clear, as you can see. Let's go for a little walk along the shoreline right down there. Maybe the waves look more impressive from there on, and then I'm going to head towards the right where the bars are. Little stroll on the Levante Beach, just enjoying the nice weather, how it is today. Love it. It's good. down here, I think. It's the easiest. Bit of a shame I missed the actual shower we had, because it probably just literally emptied out within a few minutes once it started. Lifeguards put it out the red flag down here. And they left. Well, left. It's around 5, so I think they just went home. Their shift was over. They did put up the yellow flag on the chair where they always look out from. All umbrellas being picked up for the day. I think it's done for them. Another day tomorrow. Water is coming quite far now. Need to watch don't get any wet feet. Small boat down there in the back, just in front of the Benidorm Island. I think it's one of those diving tours that just came back. But the sea is quite rough, so wonder how that went. Gonna head back towards the promenade. For all the empty beach lounges. Birds are looking for some leftover food from the day. Okay, back again on the promenade. Much nicer walking than the loose sand. Look at down here, the back of the Oasis Beach Club, which is really busy actually for just a normal Saturday, no, Friday. It's a Friday, ain't it? I'm confused. And with a rough sea we had all day, of course that includes some water right down here. from here on, the wind is slowly picking up again. Getting more noticeable, but it's quite alright. It's quite busy as well with people walking, especially down there in the distance. Going to check that out later tonight after dinner. Might go for a live stream, depends on a bit how the crowds are. And oh, there won't come any more rain, because in the rain I'm not feeling like walking down here. If so, I'll give a notification now, like 30 minutes up front. Don't forget to subscribe for that, or put a notification bell on so you don't miss any of that. Yeah, thank you everyone for watching this quite short update, for at least compared to the last one, which was over half an hour from today from here, Benidorm. Yeah, want to see more? Got a video of 37 minutes right down here.